In this Q&A video, we'll be answering the question, how long should the overrun timer in my extractor fan be set to? This question relates to the extraordinary fan isolator from Knightsbridge, and if you're wondering how I can possibly describe a fan isolator as extraordinary, then please go and watch the video that Gordon and Gary made on this accessory, as it is pretty amazing. But to address the question for this video, just how long should that overrun timer be set to? Well, there's a couple of places that we can look for an answer to this question. The first is in approved document F of the building regs. In the section where System 1 is described, which makes use of background ventilators and intermittent extract fans, we see the direction that in a room with no openable window, i.e. an internal room, an intermittent extract fan should have a 15-minute overrun. There's similar direction elsewhere in part F relating to extraction in office spaces. So that's the basic requirement. But we also need to think logically. If you've got a fan in a room with a shower in it, even if it has an opening window, what's the purpose of that fan? Well, likely it's contributing to the overall ventilation of the house, not just that one room. It will also help to clear unwanted smells from the room, and also it will help to remove the airborne moisture that's in there while the shower is being used. So just think about your own experience now. When you shower, get dry, and then leave the room, has all of the steam gone out of the room, or is there still some there? Is the mirror, window, or shower screen still fogged up? Of course, the humidity in the air is still higher and there's still moisture in the atmosphere. If the fan has no timer, because it's not strictly required, then that moisture is going to settle on surfaces and lead to problems down the line. So it's fair to say that an overrun timer on any bathroom or shower room fan is a good idea. And in the Domestic Ventilation Compliance Guide, we see the guidance when inspecting and testing a System 1 ventilation system that if a run-on timer is installed, it should be set to a minimum of 15 minutes. So there is official guidance for how long to set the overrun timer to when it's absolutely required, and also best practice recommendation whenever an overrun timer is installed. But as always, we'd like to hear from you. Do you set the timers to the correct value and then time the overrun? Do you think the requirements for ventilation need tightening up a little bit? Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And as always, thank you very much for watching.